The Bitcoin price is sitting at 43.6k right at this point, and the market right now, it seems to be revolving within this price level of 44.7 and this price level of 42.4. So is this market still have capacity of moving to the upside, or we're going to see the market come back down into this level of 41 and $40,000? All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. On the 1-day charts, at this very point, like I told you in my immediate last video, that this market is going to move up after this breakout. So if you look at this very point, you see the breakout occur, and afterward the market come back down. Okay, it happened in the market most time. So market breaks out and then come back down before continuation. What I am still expecting on this very pair BTC 1-day chart is the market to move upward, and I don't see the market breaking below this very point of 41 and $40,000. Nothing is impossible in the market. The market have capacity of coming right back down into this very area of $35,000, but that is not what I am paying attention to at the moment, because that possibility is very little. So therefore I am looking at the market still moving upward. Nevertheless, market right now is moving down from this very area where we see this very spike after the breakout, and right now market is here. So market capacity is moving down, and I am expecting the continuation very soon. So this is what I am still watching on the 1-day chart. Market is still going to move upward, so I am paying attention to market coming back to the upside after this very breakout. Like I said, the tendency of the market moving into this level is there, and there is no doubt everything is possible in the market, even the impossible. So right now, pay attention to the market moving upward, but also bear in mind that this market can also move back down. For me, this is like a little correction after this breakout, and market is going to move to the upside. And once we begin to see a strong bullish candle that close above the previous close at this very point, then it is a strong indication that the market is going to finally move to the upside. What I am saying is that once we see a bullish candle that move upward and close above this very close that we see right at this very point, then this is a clear-cut sign that the market is about taking the next move to the upside. And I told you the target that I am still watching and looking at is the $50,000 at this very point, this very area of $50,000, and this very area of $52,000. This is what I am paying attention to right now after we see that very move. But for the immediate short term right here, still look at the market coming back down a little bit until we see that very move upward that close above this very close at this very point. Then know that market is about to take the next biggest move in the market. So this is what you need to watch right now on the 1-day chart. On the 4-hour chart, BTCUSDT, very importantly, anytime we see the market break out of this very point, then that is when I am going to consider a buy position. Right now, market is going to come back down. In my immediate last video, I told you that market is going to retrace back down. But if you look at the retracement was very severe. Okay, market go down up to this very point of $40,000 unexpectedly. So after this very drop, I changed my perspective, although what I was looking at is the market coming back down to this very point before continuation. But if you look at what actually played out, the market came back up to this very area of 40.7k, which is very, very huge, even below this very level of support. So what that means is that the bulls are not very, very much in the market as expected right now. Pay attention to the market moving down from where it is right now. So until I see a breakout of this very level of resistance, then I am not going to take a buy position. Why? Because if you look at this very point, the market have a resistance right here. That market came back down and turned resistance again. Market is going to come back down until I see a breakout of this very level of resistance. No buy position for me. So this is what I think you should be watching. A breakout here would mean the market is going to continue to the upside, but on the immediate short time, look for the market coming back down. That is, look for shorting the market instead of longing the market, because right now the market is showing more bearish pressure than we are seeing the bulls doing at the moment on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And on ETH, if you look at ETH, you see the market is coming back down with this aggressive move to the downside. The same thing, what I am also expecting is the market to come back down. Else, if you see any strong bullish pressure that break out of this very level of resistance right at this point, then market is going to move to the upside. But on the immediate short term, expect the market to come back down into this very level of $2,100. This very area was a previous spike in the market, so market have capacity of coming back down to this place before moving up again for a little correction and then continuation to the downside. So until we see a breakout here, there is no need taking a long position. So pay attention to market coming back down on the immediate short term on ETH. And on Solana, if you look at Solana have not really dropped back down, unlike we're seeing on ETH and on BTC. We see this very move to the downside, but the market moved rapidly to the upside, and right now market is at this very point. Potentially I am expecting this market to drop a little bit to the downside as well, into this price level of $85 and this price level of $80. So a little move for Solana downward before the next move to the upside. So for Solana on the immediate short term, look for markets not coming back to the downside. And lastly, on ADA, if you look at ADA charts have been in a progressive move to the downside. So we see this very spike right here, but the highest high is at this very point. So since this very move, market has not broken out of this very level, and right now we've seen the market coming back to the downside. So market have capacity of retracing upward and then continuation to the downside. So what you need to pay attention to on ADA is the market's retracing and continuation. That means you should be looking for shorting the market instead of buying the market. Okay, look for shorting the market instead of buying the market. So even though the market begin to move upward a little bit on ADA, just know that the market still have capacity of moving back down. So all you need to do is to wait, exercise patience for the market to move upward. Then after this correction or retracement, market is going to move downward for you to short the market, or for another short opportunity for the market to come back to the downside. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on these various charts. So a recap is that on ADA, look for short opportunity, and on Solana, look for short opportunity, and on ETH, shorting the market is a nice thing to do, except you see a breakout here, then you can long the market. And on BTC, if the market break out on this very point of resistance, it will be a nice time to buy the market. Otherwise, look for short opportunity to the downside. And on the immediate short time, on a 1-day chart, I am still expecting this market to move a little bit downward, and then market is going to move upward. I don't see the market going below this very price level of 41 and $40,000, even though that possibility exists in the market. So this is what I am now looking at on this various chart. What do you think about the market? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you have not registered on Binance, Bybit, when you register on Bybit with my link in the description of this video, you will have $1,000 welcome bonus. When you register, verify your account, deposit $100 and place a trade, you'll be qualified for this bonus. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.